Hey, what's up? In this video, we are doing one project. In this project, we are creating one EC2 machine, and through this EC2 machine, we read the data of S3 bucket. And yeah, we also doing IAM user that we have only access to read this data and nothing else. So at the end, we can within a terminal, we can get all the data of S3 bucket. So yeah, let's do it. For that, first create one EC2, that is EC2, and launch instance. We create a web server name, give the user, and I use Ubuntu and that uh, all take as a default. And yeah, one more get I want create and give the name user, and yeah, and yeah, that's it. That is enough for me. And launch instance. Now in another step, we create one user. So we go to IAM and create user, create one new user, give the name user. We can do any name, but I give the name user one. And I don't want to use the console access because I'm using a CLI. And go and we give the permission of S3 bucket. I need a permission of Amazon S3 bucket and as well as EC2. I need to give the E- Amazon EC2 full access. Yeah, that's the permission I give. And you next and create next. And here we create our user. Now our third step is to create one S3 bucket and some put some data. All that just we create a S3 bucket and then we create bucket, give the unique name. So let's give a project X, and 1 2 3. I think this will be a unique name and we make it public. I want, yeah, and all as default and create bucket. It's taken code with this will be a unique. I think so. Yeah, we create our bucket. Just go and yeah, when we create folder that name is image and create it and also put some data. We need to one add file. Let's take this image, upload, and then let's go back. I think I create one folder also. Let's go backward. Yeah, we here we are. We add the data. Now let's go to CMD, go to EC2, and then we go to launch no and launch to my fourth instance, create user, connect to SSH, copy that, then go to CMD, go to CD downloads and paste this, and yes, and here we are in our terminal. Let's do clear, and now we have to do just do sudo apt update. After that we have to install AWS CLI 2, and then I want for a Linux I have Ubuntu. Yeah, that's it. That we need. For that we need unzip. I think it has no. So let's install. Yeah, let's install. Then copy it and paste it. At the end, here we have access to AWS CLI. It takes some time. Yeah, let's do AWS minus minus world sun. Yeah, here we can able to get. Let's clear that. Now we need a S3 bucket. So how at that time how my terminal know that where is my bucket and which user I need to access. So for that we go to our console. I am user. Now then user one and create a security credential. Create access key. I need only command line access. I understand. I don't want to give any description. Yeah, that's it. Now we need to configure AWS. So do AWS configure. Now just we give the access key and give the password, and that's now we can able to access AWS. Now let's access the data of our S3 bucket. For that just do AWS S3 and ls. Here we get the our bucket name. Mm, just to copy paste, and here we see the item, and we let's go want to go to image, so let's do that, and we are inside the image. So yeah, that's it. That's our project. Here in this project, we we have done this part. Our user can access that only S3 bucket. So yeah, that's our project we are done in this video. So yeah, thanks for watching.